Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Cash App card. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. As you can see here, we have a cash balance screen. This is kind of like the home screen. Then we have a card where you can spend your cash balance. We have a peer-to-peer payment screen where you can send money back and forth to your friends. And then we also have the ability to buy Bitcoin and the ability to buy stocks. But today I'm going to show you how to get the Cash App card so that you're able to spend your cash balance here. Like I've shown in many videos before, there's a few ways to add to your cash balance. You can check out my previous video for the 3 ways to do that. But the easiest way is just to add cash or cash out, and that's sending money back and forth between your bank account. So let's go to the Cash App card screen. I haven't set up a Cash App card on this account yet, but this is a very simple process that will allow me to do so. Meet the Cash Card, the customizable, no hidden fee, instant discounts debit card. Now for anyone over 13, you can use Boost to save and get discounts when you use your card. You'll be able to customize it when you create it, bank with it, use it at ATM, stuff like that. And there's some also nice roundup features which I've made videos on in the past. So let's go ahead and tap Get Free Cash App Card. We're going to be able to choose our style here. Some of these other styles cost additional money, like these metal ones are $50. I've made videos on that as well explaining why not to buy the metal ones, so maybe check those out if you're thinking about it. I don't suggest paying money for any of them, so I'm just going to get the standard black one. Here's a quick look at it. Classic and iconic, the original, make it yours with a custom drawing or stamp. So let's do personalized card. It's going to take us into this card editing screen. So we have one option right here right away, show your cash tag. So in the top right corner, it can display your cash tag or not. I'm just going to turn mine off. You can also draw on this. Let's undo that. And you can add some emojis. I'm just going to make mine look like that. Whatever, tap done. That's what it's going to look like right there. Feel free to spend as much time as you want to customize it. Let's tap order card. Remember, this is the free option. I'm going to put in my address here and then tap next. Then confirm my name. Here's the details that it gives me. So there's no fees or anything like that. Tap continue. Your cash card is ready to use. You can use a virtual card while you wait for your physical card to arrive. You can add it to Apple Pay, see my tutorials for that, save on purchases, or use your card online. And they'll also send me a physical card in the mail right now. Here's a quick example of what the Cash App cards look like. Just my graveyard from my other account. So we'll have to wait a few days to receive that. Tap done. And there it is. Now I have a Cash App card. I have a bunch of tutorials already for this on my channel if you want to check those out. And I can use that card to spend my balance right here. If you want to see the card details, just tap this little eye icon and it'll reveal the numbers and all of your information if you want to use it online. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.